Hello, I am Jacob Skaggs, a psychology student at Eastern Kentucky University, and this is my Pechacuchas titled The Cognitive Theory of Dreams, a presentation of the cognitive processes that support the concrete mechanics of dreaming. As children, we wonder about the purpose of dreams, and throughout this research, a series of logical answers have been found to solve one of humankind's oldest mysteries. Cognitive psychology is the field of studying the brain's mental processes and how that relates to a person's psychology. These processes may include memory, attention, or perception. One process that may not come to mind is that of dreaming and the mind's activity while we dream. While dreams may be seen as abstract and unexplainable to many, there is a discipline in cognitive psychology strictly for studying the purposes and mechanics of our dreams. Evidence of this can easily be seen in research by psychologist Malinowski, who connected neural brain activity with dreaming. The data found confirm that our brain is actively involved in the formation of dreams. Your brain can be studied using an EEG, or an electroencephalogram, which is a cap that is applied over your hair that transmits brain activity data to a computer. Malinowski used EEGs while patients were dreaming or mind-wandering to study their brain activity. The trends of brain activity found in this research show that the brain is actively participating in the dreaming process. Psychologists such as Skaggs, that will be discussed later, also support that there is a clear intent in how our brain constructs dreams. While this may seem obvious to some, the significance of this data conflicts with previously accepted ideologies of dreaming. Consider the Freudian outlook on dreaming, where our repressed animalistic desires resurface as a form of cleansing when we dream. This data shows a more mechanical perspective on dreams in comparison. Yet, what does the brain do specifically while we dream? One answer may be that the brain searches our memories to piece together a unique, creative mesh of previous events in your life. This might be why it feels like dreams seem to give us personal insight. Psychologist Perrine conducted a group study that involved REM research to test this. REM stands for rapid eye movement and refers to the period of the sleep cycle where we are sleeping the heaviest. This is also the most common stage for dreams to occur. The group study also extended to an interview element where participants were asked about their experiences whilst dreaming. Their stories reveal that the dreams commonly called back to events in their lives which correlated with the REM research. Considering this data, the brain seems to be footnoting important memories that are played back in our dreams. The memories seem to be emotionally prevalent ones. So how does the brain going about picking which memories we dream about? Once again, statistics seem to suggest that the pure extremes of the emotions associated with the memory may be the answer. One of the most common things people dream about are their exes, which makes sense since love life and breakups may be the most emotional periods in one's life. All in all, this shows a clear significance that emotionality does indeed play a part in shaping our dreams. This could explain the purpose of having nightmares, as negative emotions stick out more than positive ones, since the brain picks the memories with the strongest emotional response. REM research extends even farther beyond the focus on dreams reciprocating emotions, however. Even more purpose may be tied to our dreams that can be discovered by researching other parts of the brain. The research of Skaggs and Perrine both delve into even more activities our brain gets into while we sleep. Emotions play a big part in our brain selecting memories, but there may be relevance to the memory selection process in itself. The hippocampus is an area in the brain that is responsible for processing memories. The brain calls upon this area to replay and archive memories based on relevance as core memories or not. We could compare our brain to a tape recorder that enlists the hippocampus to review and process our memories while we sleep through our dreams. Research shown that the hippocampus was a particularly active part of the brain, which supports this. Perhaps dreams may feel like a movie because our brain is literally rewatching our memories from past events as it goes over the contents of each memory. The hippocampus works overtime to separate the mundane events of the day from the key moments that stick with us forever, which are known as core memories. In just this brief exploration, a slew of distinct cognitive functions are present in the brain while we sleep. High brain activity while dreaming reveals that this process is intrinsically tied to our emotions and memories, supported by the tales of EEG, REM, and similar research used to pry into the hippocampus, which works alongside us to make sense of the memories being reviewed in our dreams. Thank you for watching my presentation on dreams and the cognitive psychology world. Hopefully this research will aid you tonight in deciphering your own dreams. Once again, thank you, and bye-bye.